So Thomas McKenty here, and it is a sunny Sunday afternoon, and I finally got to open up my Nokbox. I am so excited. Here it is out of the box. It came safely packed, and let's go ahead and open right here. Easy to open. And we'll give a look inside. So you got some more paper here, and it looks, oh, these are neat. This is for protected documents, and this is the one I was looking forward to. This is the key system with color-coded keys. And then this I have to go over and open up, and oh, this sucker is heavy. Wow, this is substantial. So let me unwrap it, and I'll be right back. So what we got here is we've got some documents. These are the forms and some instructions, and it looks like, oh, I'd say about 100 pages or so. And then there are some extra blank folders here, but this is really sweet. This is what I was looking forward to. We've got some directions, and it's broken down into these hanging folders, and here you can see the different topics. Insurance, investment, what have we got? Side income. This is excellent. This is really what I need to get everything organized. And I'm going to spend probably a few hours this afternoon going through. And this is a very sturdy box. I assume it's waterproof. It looks like it's got a good seal on it. So I think this is exactly what I need. And I'm going to report back with what else I find.